Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name's Kate and I'm a micro influencer on Instagram and I'm like loving it. So go check me out on Instagram and also TikTok and Pinterest and watch my YouTube. You know, shout out to all the freaking platforms I guess today. But right now I'm actually going to pick up my brother, Jarrett. If you've probably seen him before in the vlogs, but we're gonna go pick him up from school, which fun fact, I just looked my school up on Yelp for some reason and they have 1 star, so that says something. But anyways, I am going to pick him up from school. I'm going to take him to lunch and run some errands, and the whole vlog today is actually going to be about my trip to Florida. So in a week from now, I will be leaving to go to Florida, and I will be there for 2.5 weeks straight, and I'm so excited. So my grandparents actually rent out a condo for like 3 months, and we're going to go stay with them. So my family and I, so my brother, my mom, and my dad, we're driving down to Florida starting next Thursday. Today's Wednesday, by the way. And we're leaving next Thursday, so I have about a week to pack and prepare for this whole trip. And this whole vlog is about prepping for Florida. There will be a separate packing vlog, so go watch that after you watch this if it's up. This is going up before the packing vlog, but you'll see the packing vlog the following week. But anyways, back to what I was saying. We are going to be cleaning the cockapoo, which if you don't know, my fiance and I have a cockapoo puppy named Rudy. So we're gonna clean him up. We're gonna give him a bath. We're gonna cut his hair a little bit. We're going to brush his teeth, clean his ears. We're gonna do the whole shebang with him. Then we will be cleaning the house, doing laundry, that kind of stuff, prepping for me leaving because I'm not going with my fiance. He's gonna be here with the dogs. My family's dog too will be staying here, so he's gonna have his hands full with 2 dogs, and I wanted to make sure the house is clean and laundry is done. By the way, I'm sorry about this shadow. I don't even know what this is, so ignore that. But that's what we're doing in this vlog. And then the last and final thing I need to do in this vlog is self-care. So I'll be doing skincare, I'll be, you know, self-tanning, doing hair masks, just prepping overall, like painting my nails, all kinds of stuff like that. So that's really fun. So stick around to the end of the vlog to see that. And I wanted to mention too that my fiance and our couple friends are actually flying down to Florida about a week after I'm there already, and we're gonna, you know, stay there for a week. We're gonna do some traveling around Florida, and I'm so excited. So stay tuned. There will be lots of Florida content coming, and if you didn't know, I'm obsessed with Florida. My fiance and I want to move down there as soon as humanly possible. We just need to finish, well, I need to finish school, and that's a whole nother thing. So but stay tuned for everything Florida. It's coming so soon. I'm so excited. But right now I'm gonna go pick up Jarrett, so let's go pick him up. Okay, I picked up Jarrett. We're at Target and we just ordered Starbucks. And anything to say?
You have a napkin?
Okay guys, it's a little bit later. We're still doing some laundry. I just folded a bunch as you saw, but we are about to go give Rudy his bath now, and he's definitely not gonna like this, but I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and let you guys watch this unfold because it's probably gonna be funny and cute at the same time. Right, Rudy? See, he needs a bath. Okay, I got you guys set up. Come here, Rudy. Come here. He already knows. Come here, baby. Oh. So he is definitely afraid of the bath, but it's okay. We're gonna get him more used to it. We're gonna take his collar off. It's okay. I have his dog soap here, and I'm just putting some warm water in the bath. And then I have his towel hanging right here, and we're just gonna go in. And as you can see, I put a black sweatshirt on because his hair is gonna get all over me. All right, buddy, it's okay. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Sit. You can do it. Okay. Sit. No, you stay in. No, you stay in. Sit. Stay in. No. He's trying to get out. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. See, look, it's okay. He usually is trying to get out the whole time. Okay. Gotta get back in, buddy. You gotta get back in. Okay. Okay. Look. Let me give you shampoo. Shampoo? No, no, no. Don't go out. Don't go out. Don't go out. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, if you want to hold, he'll hold on to me while I wash him, I guess. Here's your soap. You want to get you nice and clean? Yes. You're a dirty cockapoo. You're a dirty boy. You're a dirty boy. I'm afraid if I move at all, he's just gonna jump out. So, because I need to get this down. So you stay. You stay. I'm gonna put you back in there. He's so funny. Look, don't go. Look at him. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Okay. Good thing I'm doing laundry because these clothes are going to need to be washed. And then I can also shower, thankfully. Okay. I have to put you back in for right now, okay, buddy? It's okay. I know. Let me clean your belly. Let me clean your belly. I know. I'm ready to walk a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, we got him pretty clean. So I'm going to grab his towel. Come here. Let me put you right here. Just like a little baby. Next step is to brush his teeth, clean his ears, and I'll take you along with that. Okay, so I have Rudy's bin right here, and we have like his toothpaste, toothbrush, all kinds of stuff in here. We have his cleaning for his ears. I'm definitely gonna have to clean the tub. It's all full of black puppy hair. But yeah, I have his toothbrush here, his toothpaste. I have all kinds of stuff in here. I even have a nail clipper, but I'm not comfortable at clipping his nails. I feel like I've hurt him on accident, and I don't want to do that. So we'll let his groomer do that. But I do have some puppy fragrance mist, which is really cool. It smells like strawberries. So we'll definitely give him some of that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I already did trim around his ears a little bit, so I think we're good on that. I do want to give him a nice little brush. Yes, we'll brush you out when you dry a little more. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. It's okay. Come to mommy. Alright, so first things first, we're going to brush his teeth. I should be doing this like all the time, but I honestly just forget to do it. I'm such a busy person that I need to almost set an alarm to do stuff like this, but we're going to give him a makeover today. So come here, baby. I'm going to come get you. Okay, whoa. Alright, you just stay right here, baby, okay? Let me hold you. And then we're gonna, no, we're gonna brush your teeth. We're gonna move on to cleaning the ears real quick. I'm just gonna use a piece of toilet paper right now, just because he's giving me a little bit of a hard time here. Alright. Now we clean your ears, okay? Now he's a cockapoo and their ears build up a lot and they get really itchy and irritated, so it's really important that we clean his ears. We clean his ears like a couple times a week, sometimes every day if he needs it. Rudy, okay, it's alright, you're fine. He's just having anxiety. Okay, just cleaning his ears. Good boy. Good boy, okay? Good boy. Take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna let him dry off on his own. I'm gonna give him a treat because he deserves it, and then I'm gonna get back to just like cleaning around the house. So I'll take you along with me. I gotta clean myself up and the tub, but as soon as I'm done with that, we'll move on to the next thing. Here you go. Now, I think I'm going to just pick up this room a little bit. It's a little messy. I'm gonna pick it up a little bit, light a candle, and see where it takes me because I'm still waiting on more laundry. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Again, like I said, this vlog is probably gonna go on for a couple days, so if it just magically goes to like another day, sorry, I'm new at vlogging. Okay, just changed to a sweatshirt that just came out of the dryer, and now I'm folding more laundry, as you can see, and Rudy is finally chewing his bone, so we're good to go. But yeah, I'm just working on more laundry. There is so much laundry that like I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm gonna be doing laundry all day and night today, but it's fine, it's worth it. The whole reason I want to get it all done and put away is because Ryan's gonna be here for like a week without me, and I don't know if he's gonna be able to function without the laundry being done and the house being clean. So I'm going to make sure it's all ready for him. I want him to have like a smooth week without me. I know it's gonna suck like not being able to see each other, but it's all gonna be worth it when we're in Florida for another week together. So anyways, I'm gonna keep doing this folding. I'm watching a show on Netflix called The Chef Show. It's really good. I love watching like cooking shows. I don't know, can anyone else relate? Is that just me? But anyways, I am looking like shit, honestly. I kind of look like shit today, but it's fine. It doesn't matter. We're just cleaning up today, and I'm probably gonna do a lot of cleaning like off camera, but I will definitely keep you guys updated with what is done and what needs to be done. But yeah, that's basically that. Okay, vlog, it is Friday, and Danielle is here. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
She's coming to Florida with us, so you'll see her more of her soon, but we are going to do the portion of self-care now. We're gonna do like face masks, stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna be doing now, and we're excited. So first step is face masks. I have a ton here to choose from, so I'm gonna let like Danielle choose some, and then I'm gonna choose one, and then we're gonna set you up on the tripod, and we're going to start our self-care day. Okay, Danielle's gonna tell you the face mask that she chose and why, so go ahead.
I chose the soothing mask. I'm excited for it to make my face more smoothing because I think that my face needs that.
Okay, perfect. And then I chose the Everyday Lemon Brightening one because my skin is like dry and it needs like to be brightened. So we're gonna put these on, we'll set you up on the tripod, and then we're gonna pick out our nail polish. Hey guys, welcome to Squid Game. I'm the headmaster. Okay, Danielle's putting on her face mask right now. She's gonna come show us. We look really crazy.
Hello.
If I laugh, it's gonna fall off. Okay, anyway, we have our nail stuff here, so we're gonna pick out some colors, and then you're gonna watch us like basically do our nails and look like freaks while we do it. So Rudy says hi. Okay, both of our nails are painted, so now we're gonna do some skincare and we'll take you with us. We have a gua sha that we'll be washing, so we could both use it, and then, you know, toner, glycolic acid, the face, I don't know if you guys have ever seen these, but I use them to shape my eyebrows and everything like that. Bio oil is so good, and then this, and I got sent this moisturizer, but it's so good that I feel like we both like need to use it, and then the cotton round. So we'll take you with our skincare situation. First thing I'm going to start with is some toner. This is just to like clean her face or whatever, and I'm going to use a cotton round and just go ahead and clean this in. I just got done with my skincare. I made myself bleed a little bit, but it's fine. I didn't make Danielle bleed, which is the important part, but it's very moisturized. I feel good. But yeah, painted nails, painted toes, we're good to go. I'm going to keep my hair in like a little bun or ponytail for the rest of the day and just relax a little bit. And this vlog will probably continue Monday or over the weekend when I will be like prepping for self-tanner and self-tanning and whitening my teeth more, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. Hi vlog, today is Monday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, and I just got out of the shower and I just self-tanned using the St. Maurice Dark. I love this stuff. I always use the St. Tropez mitt, it's kind of a mess. Used this on my face. This is the Bondi Sands Gradual Face Tan. Right now, I just put on my cozy clothes in order for the tan to like really set. I also put on my lotion in places that you need lotion, like your hands, your legs, your knees, everything like that. I think what I'm gonna do is put whatever's left over on this brush, like on my hand, because it's very like natural and I don't want it to look super like fake, you know what I mean? I think I messed up on this hand a little bit. You can see my knuckles are kind of like really tan, but I'm just gonna kind of go over that. It'll wash away eventually. I'm no self-tanning expert, but right now I'm going to sit at my desk and answer some emails. Okay, so for a quick little update, whitened my teeth. The self-tan is definitely setting in. I just got done posting and engaging, so my next step is to get some lunch and then answer some emails, do my makeup, and then I'm gonna start filming some content, shooting some content, and possibly starting to pack. I really wanted to start packing last week, but things just got hectic, you know? So I really want to pack starting today and probably finishing literally Thursday, the day I leave, just because, you know, those last minute things. Rudy keeps bringing me a ball and he's my Valentine, so I can't say no. Anyway, that's pretty much what's going on. I don't know where I'm gonna end this vlog. I would love to start editing it tomorrow so it could be up Thursday, but at the same time I wanted to get a car wash and like add that in here.
Okay guys, I'm literally recording this at 12:30 midnight in Florida while I'm editing this, and I just wanted to kind of explain what's going on here. I picked up Jarrett from school and he came with me to get a car wash and helped me clean out my car, and the whole philosophy behind cleaning my car before I leave is just so that when I get back home I have a nice car to come home to, a nice clean house to come home to, and all that sort of stuff. I just hate coming home to the cold, so it makes it just a little bit better, and I am so excited to come home to like a clean house and a clean car rather than a mess. So that's the whole reason why I did this, but super fun time. I always have fun with Jarrett no matter what, but it was really fun, and yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I loved hanging out and getting ready for Florida. Right now, I'm working on the packing vlog. Stay tuned for when the packing vlog comes out. I'm so excited for that. It should be a week from when you're watching this, if you're watching it when it's published. If not, it's probably on my channel, so go look at it. But I'm packing now, and I just showed you guys that we went to the car wash. It was really fun. My brother was with me. I picked him up from school, and he helped me with that. And I got some last minute things that I needed, and now I'm just packing. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.